You are going to love the 2020 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, comfort package, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.